Okay, so this will be a short story about the Institute of Soil Science and Plant Cultivation, a state research institute. As it was said already, we are one of the biggest and oldest agriculture institutes in Poland, working under auspices of the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Husbandry.
Okay, Mr. Director, could you just a moment, Mr. Mushir, could you could you come to us, please? Because okay. I would like to translate in Arabic. Just second.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know. Mr. Mushir, please come with us. Be with us on the screen.
He must be very tired.
Oh, yes, I think, I'm sure. Because few hours with this translation, this is very difficult.
Very hard job.
Very hard job. I know. So maybe because a lot of our friends is listening you in English too. So please continue. We try to get with Mr. Mushir by WhatsApp. So please continue your presentation.
Okay, thank you very much. So our program of our institute is entitled the Sustainable Development of Crop Production and Management of Agriculture Areas in Poland, and we cover all issues connected to the agriculture, and we cover the whole country. Of course, our program is divided to 4 pillars. We work on the plants and soil level. So these are basic research, canopy and crop rotation, farm and countryside, and region and the country. So for that, Institute possesses 10 experimental farms, which are located, we are located here in Puławy, but our experimental farms are located in different parts of Poland because Poland is quite much differentiated as regards the climate. When you go from the east to the west, the difference of temperature is about 10 degrees. So we need to have several points to evaluate different stuff connected to agriculture, especially varieties and diseases and so on. So it's together about 6,000 hectares in total. Oops, something happened. Sorry. The strongest part of our activity is soil mapping. For years, the data were collected, few 100,000 of points were excavated and researched. So recently we were able to produce a digital soil map, 1 to 25,000. And this is a full coverage of the whole Poland on the soil quality. And this very well fits what we have done to the rest of Europe. You can see here the map of Europe, and you see how the soil quality fits to the rest of the countries, our neighboring countries. We do our research on using all kind of remote technologies already. So precision agriculture, prediction of soil parameters, physical, chemical, and especially in respect to organic carbon, fertilization and pK, magnesium, pH, granulometric composition, and moisture. So we use different devices for that purpose. Soil organic matter is of a special issue because since of big changes which are we face during last years in agriculture. We have, in some areas, we have a problem with organic matter concentration. Excuse me?
For the moment, because we have no picture. I don't know why. It's I have no picture on the screen.
Why?
I don't know. Could you try lock one more times?
Now?
No. It's now. It's not here. No, not picture. So please try to load one more time from this.
Can you see it now?
No, not yet.
Hello, guys, and give it chance to log into Mushir, okay, Czesław?
No.
And now?
Just a moment, because we have no problem. We have problem with presentation. No.
Can you see it now? Hello?
Not. We have not.
Oh.
Maybe if you could open this now, these documents, it's. Oh, yes. It's okay. Now it's good.
It's okay now?
Yes, it's okay. Okay.
So what was the last picture you have seen?
Yes, now it's okay.
This one you have seen?
No, not. Okay, try from this. Okay, please.
Okay, so this is a picture of a map of Poland showing the location of our experimental farms. You see with the red color, these are places where we have experimental farms. I was talking already about the soil mapping. So you see that we developed a digital sustainability map for maps 1 to 25,000, and this is a full coverage of the whole Poland. So over whole Poland we can produce different kind of maps with different information on it. This is how it fits to the rest of the Europe. I was talking about this, and the remote technologies for precision agriculture. So we use different devices on land or flying devices to predict some soil parameters. And probably this was the point where I finished my presentation before. So you see these are maps of the soil organic matter concentration in different areas of Poland, in different voivodeships. There is a problem at the moment with that in Poland, because there is a concentration of animal production in some areas where there is a big amount of manure, but there are some areas without animal production, and there is a problem with the manure. So organic matter input to the soil is quite low. So we have to monitor that all over Poland, and because our institute is kind of advisory system for our Ministry of Agriculture, we need this information to inform ministers measures should be undertaken to avoid this problem. A big stuff also in the institute is so-called drought monitoring system. Because Poland totally depends on precipitation water. So, and then climate changes, which we face recent years, create some problems. We have to closely monitor what is going on over the country. So for that purpose, Institute is the owner of about 500 automatic weather stations located in different parts of Poland. And several of them work as evapotranspiration stations. So comparing precipitation and evapotranspiration, we can say what is the water status at the moment in the soil. Will you be translating?
Yeah, I'm ready to
Okay. So I give you the floor. You must be very tired at the moment.
No, it's okay. I got rest now, so now it's okay. I can continue. Okay, start. I can't translate from now on.
Okay. Okay, so I was talking about drought monitoring system in Poland, which is based on the 500 automatic weather stations distributed all over the country.
اوكي. هو يتكلم الآن عن نظام مراقبة الجفاف في بولندا، وهو موزع على جميع الولايات في دولة بولندا. Okay, continue.
Yeah. So the system works this way, that automatic weather stations are sending information to our computers located in the institute. We also get radar data on land located, radar data and satellite data, and combine everything in our system and produce a climatic water balance map.
اوكي. النظام يعمل بالطريقة التالية. ترسل حالات الطقس إلى أجهزة الكمبيوتر، وأيضا من عبر الساتلايت أو الأقمار الصناعية، ومن ثم تخلط معا، وبالتالي سيحصل المزارعين على النتيجة المطلوبة.
Okay, and this map is being produced every 10 days, and we release data on our website for every countryside, every place in Poland, so farmers can check if there is a water problem in their area. This is very important because
اوكي، let me translate. هذه الخريطة تحدث كل 10 أيام، وهي موجودة في جميع ولايات بولندا، ومن خلالها يستطيع المزارعون فحص طقس أو ما إذا كان هناك مشكلة في أو أي عائق في الطقس.
Yeah, and the farmers, because they get insurance for some crops, if there is a problem with the water and the income go down by 30%, they can claim from insurance company. To be paid.
عندها نعم، وعندها المزارعين إذا ما حصلت مشاكل أو عوائق سيتم تعويضهم من قبل الشركات التأمين.
Okay, and the system works since 12 years already, and we still improve it by satellite data, because we also want to evaluate what are damages because of drought on the land, straight from the satellite data.
والنظام هو تحت العمل لمدة 12 سنة، يعني له 12 سنة يعمل، ولكنهم الآن يريدون أو في عملية تطويره من خلال توفير بيانات من الأقمار الصناعية لفحص وتقييم الأخطاء أو الخلل مثل الجفاف في الأرض وغيرها.
So here, for example, you can see the drought for the country in 2019 for different crops. This one is for corn, this one is for winter plants and crops, and this is for spring crops.
هنا كما هو موضح في الخريطة الجفاف في عدة مناطق بحبوب مختلفة منها
So as you see in this central part of Poland, almost every year we have a problem with water.
كما هو موضح في وسط بولند هناك مشكلة في الماء سنويا.
Yeah. As an institute, we are the only one entity in Poland working with hops and tobacco.
وهذا المعهد هو الوحيد في بولند الذي يعمل في هذا المجال.
This is not only agronomy but also breeding programs to breed new varieties resistant to different diseases or having good quality.
وليس فقط برنامج صناعي أو زراعي، هو أيضا برنامج لتوليد أنواع مختلفة من الحلول وما إلى ذلك.
On our web page you can find also so-called fertilization advisory system where every farmer can use it for free to evaluate what kind of fertilization, what kind of varieties he should use on his own field.
وهناك أيضا على موقعهم في الإنترنت قسم لنصح المزارعين أو لإعطاء المزارعين فكرة عن التسميد وكيف ومتى يعملون ذلك.
Yes, we are also responsible for the whole country to evaluate the waste products which are being applied to increase soil fertility. And if any company wants to introduce project to the market, they have to come to the institute. Institute will evaluate the quality of it chemically and also environmentally. And then Ministry of Agriculture can give permission to introduce this to market.
وهم يوفرون العديد من الخيارات للشركات والمزارعين الذي قد تساعدهم في تحسين منتجاتهم وتطويرها.
Yeah. Another area of our activity is agriculture microbiology, which is connected to different kind of diseases. So also there is a disease monitoring system all over the Poland working. So we also use different fungi as a natural herbicides. So.
وهناك لديهم نظام مراقبة في جميع أنحاء بولند لمراقبة العوائق والمشاكل المتعلقة بالطقس التي قد تحيط من إنتاج المنتجات الزراعية.
Another area is phytochemistry and crop quality. This is for evaluation of quality of our products. We also have a certified laboratory doing all kind of analysis, soil and plant analysis.
ولديهم يعني شيء موثق من الحكومة أو وهم موافق عليهم من الحكومة لإنتاج مثل هذه الأنواع.
Organic agriculture is another area of our interest. It's not big share of this market in Poland, but it's increasing. So we have to evaluate different varieties and different agronomic traits, how to protect from weeds and etc.
فيما يتعلق بالإنتاج الزراعي للمواد العضوية هم يدورون أجهزة ومعدات التي تقتل وتقضي على الحشرات الضارة والضارة للنباتات والحبوب.
The Institute is also recognized as one of the Central European bioenergy center because we do a lot of experiments with biomass. We do have also the tools to evaluate what is amount of biomass in specific areas, not only in Poland, but also all over Europe. At the moment, we are coordinating the project, which is called BioEast App, which also includes biomass all over Europe.
ولديهم العديد من العلاقات مع الكثير من الشركات من نفس المجال ومثل البايوماس والبايونرجي وغيرها من نفس النوع من الشركات.
Yeah, as regards crops, fodder crops and grain crops, we do experiments with all kind of techniques used for or technologies used for production.
بخصوص بخصوص الحبوب والمواد المتعلقة بالمنتجات الزراعية لديهم خبرة طويلة وأيضا يجرون تجارب كثيرة للوصول إلى أفضل الحلول.
Yeah, we are also engaged in the research on the emissions, gas emissions from the agriculture. So this is important, very important issue because it has a big influence on the climate.
أيضا هم يشتغلون أو يرتبطون ببعض المهام والعمليات التي من شأنها تحد من الطقس السيء والمضر وأيضا المؤثر على العمليات الزراعية.
Yeah, so we use for evaluation of the gas emission automatic systems which are located straight in the field. Yeah.
وأيضا هم يقومون بتقييم الانبعاث الغازي باستخدام أجهزة تتبع ورصد جيدة وحديثة.
Yeah, but at the same time we work on the different technologies of new crop production, which are lowering gas emission and also conserving the water. So one of them, for example, is strip till.
أوكي. وأيضا يعملون في نفس الوقت على أجهزة ومعدات أخرى التي من شأنها تقوم بتقليل انبعاث الغازات وأيضا تحسن مشكلة المياه.
So climatic changes are in the center, I would say, in the center of our interest in the institute.
وبالتالي التغير الحراري هو أيضا من أهم الأشياء التي يركزون عليها.
We also work on the new technologies in special crops like hops. So this is only the example, but in past we used the wood, which was protected from being decomposed with different chemicals which are danger for us.
وهم الآن وأيضا يستخدمون تكنولوجيا أو معدات تكنولوجية جيدة في التعامل مع منتجات الحبس، وعلى عكس ما كانوا يستخدمون في الماضي الأخشاب، والذي كانت قد تحلل وتؤدي إلى نتائج ضارة وسيئة.
So at the moment we try to use composites to replace this wood. This can be used also in orchards, not only in hop production. But at the same time, we want to increase the income of farmers. So we want to combine this agriculture with, for example, producing electricity for the farm.
بسبب أنهم يريدون رفع الدخل المزارع ويجمعون بين الاثنين، يستخدمونها أولا كأداة لتحسين الإنتاج الزراعي وأيضا لتوليد الكهرباء.
As the institute, we are very active in participation in different European projects, and our institute we just ended a very big project lasting 5 years. Bioeconomy, development of bioeconomy in Poland. But as I said, also a lot of different projects. For example, agroforestry innovation networks is very interesting for some countries which are covered with forest.
وبالتالي هم سيعملون من أجل تطوير هذه البرنامج والأنشطة والمشاريع بأكثر قدر من ما يستطيعون لكي تصب في مصلحة المزارع في النهاية.
And I already mentioned also about this advancing sustainable circular bioeconomy in Central and Eastern Europe countries. So this is a project which combines together 21 partners from Eastern Europe, where we try to develop strategies for this region for development of bioeconomy.
Okay. ولديه أيضا وهو سبق وأن ذكر أن هذه المشروع وهذه البرامج مستخدمة في دول الشرق أوروبا من قبل وهي مجربة.
Yeah, and also very important project on the management of agriculture soils. This is European joint program. All countries of Europe working in this.
وأنه من المهم أن يذكر أن الكثير من الدول أو جميع الدول الأوروبية مشاركة في هذا المشروع.
Yeah, I just want to encourage you to visit our website. In this project Bioeconomy, we build a platform which is e-tool for different aspects, sometimes very useful for farmers, for companies, and for advisors.
وهو يحب أن يشجعكم أن تزوروا موقعهم على الإنترنت وسترون كل شيء هناك.
You can also find and use some modeling and data processing tools which were developed in many projects we participated.
ويمكنكم أيضا استخدام بعض الأدوات مثل أدوات تحليل البيانات وغيرها.
Yeah, we also have quite modern facilities for laboratory research, and I just want to show it and to encourage you if we are able to receive students from abroad.
وأيضا هذا هو كما هو موضح في الشكل. هذه هي مبنى المعهد، وهم أيضا يستقبلون الطلاب من أجل التعليم، وليس فقط يعني يدورون أجهزة ومعدات للحد من مشاكل البيئة والزراعة. هم أيضا يدرسون في المعهد طلبة.
Okay, so that's all in a short about my institute. If you would like to know more, please do not hesitate to visit us, or to write us a letter, or to write email, or call, or any other contacts are welcome.
هذه هي النهاية للعرض التقديمي للمعهد، وهو مسرور جدا، أو سيكون مسرور جدا إذا ما تواصلتم به في أي شيء يتعلق بمنتجاتهم أو بالمعهد.
Yeah, as you see, I just included several pictures because we are also in quite historical place. Our headquarters are in this nice palace. Here are my windows of my office. So if you visit us, you can also admire our historical part of Puławy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.